Good evening. Today we're going to be doing an experiment involving an iodine clock reaction. In front of me, I have two cups which will be used to house the two separate colorless solutions. And the point of this experiment is to see the two colorless solutions combine and become a colored solution. So for this experiment, we're going to need a bottle of solid vitamin C tablets, um, bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide, bottle of iodine, and cornstarch, as well as some distilled water, which will be in here when I fill it with water. So, solution A, which will be placed in this cup, requires two tablets of 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Okay, this is solution A, iodine tincture, as well as distilled water. So what I've basically done is, I didn't show this on the video, but I basically crushed those vitamin C tablets into fine powder, and I've put them in the distilled water, and later I filtered them through a coffee filter to get this clear solution. And the reason I filtered them through a coffee filter was because there was a lot of fillers and insolubles in the vitamin C tablets that would not fully dissolve in the distilled water. So next step is me adding the iodine solutions. This is 5% iodine right here, and I'm gonna pour 25 milliliters of that in there. Okay, while that's getting settled, we're gonna move on to solution B. Okay, and we have the cornstarch. So I open up the cornstarch. Just gonna measure out a few grams of cornstarch. Oh shoot, it's too much. Around this much cornstarch. Then we're gonna add the cornstarch into the container and add in about 35 mLs of distilled water. Afterwards, we add in about 15 mLs of hydrogen peroxide. And here in front of me, we have the combination of solution A and solution B. Um, what happened was, after I had added the iodine and I mixed that solution with the vitamin C, it turned into a colorless mixture. And I combined both of these, and now we're going to wait for the reaction to happen. And to speed up the reaction, I'm just going to go microwave this. So while we're waiting for this reaction to happen, I'm going to explain what chemical reaction is going on here. So we start out with iodine, I2, mixed with vitamin D. It gives you iodide. It's a negative charged particle with acidic protons. Since this is only just one of the reactions that's happening right now, the other reaction that's occurring is the hydrogen peroxide reacting with the I2 as produced from the previous reaction, combining with the acidic protons, and they're reverting it back to iodine and water. Eventually, however, the vitamin C gets consumed, and so the first reaction no longer proceeds that way. And then you have the second reaction just proceeding, which you have iodine and water coming down. When the vitamin C runs out, Um, you have the iodine combining with the iodide uh, negative charge particles, combining with the starch. After you have gotten triiodide, you get the blue iodine starch complex, which looks like something like this. This is the blue iodide starch complex that we have at the end. Thank you.